Welcome to Sonak Family Chiropractic and Life Wellness. Today we're going to adjust two kids from the Banta family. So we're going to show you how I adjust kids using the activator instrument. All right, Cyrus, face down. You can speak.
Bye.
All right. Okay, Cyrus, flip over on your back. Cyrus, how long have you been coming to my office?
As long as I can remember.
How long is that? Daria started coming first when she was in a stroller, right?
Yeah,
she was like 2 years old,
like
1 year old?
Maybe like 3 or 4, I guess.
How old are you now?
13.
So they've been coming, you guys have been coming in here for about 8 or 9 years.
Yes,
It's
so.
true.
And how have you enjoyed coming in here?
It's fun.
It's fun.
Fun for life. If I cannot be a doctor, I would do this job.
If you cannot, well, what do you think a chiropractor is?
She needs a
Doctor,
medical
but if I
doctor.
can't be
Oh,
a
you mean a medical doctor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not,
Okay. Okay. Very good. And the kids that have been coming in here for 8, 9, 10 years plus, one thing I notice is they don't get sick as often, and when they do get sick, they recover much quicker. So this is just a quick demonstration of kids that have got adjusted using the activator instrument.